A circular tablecloth has a radius of 2.5 or 2.5 feet. Kyle is sewing a piece of ribbon around the edge of the tablecloth. If Kyle has exactly enough ribbon, which measurement is closest to the length of the piece of ribbon in feet? So we know we're dealing with a tablecloth here in a circular table. So essentially, we know this is our shape. I'll just make a rough circle here. And it talks about him sewing a piece of ribbon around. So going around this right over here. I think some of the misunderstanding in this question is basically around. Are we solving for the area or the circumference? And when we go around the circle, we are solving for circumference of the circle. So after that, it's just about the formula. There's two ways we can do this. There's 2 pi r, which we could certainly use because we have the radius, or there's just pi times the diameter. The radius of this circle is 2.5, so halfway across right there gets us to 2.5. So all the way across, if we kept going, would get us another 2.5, which would be 5. So I'm going to do this way. I'm going to do pi times the diameter. I know the diameter is 5, so we're just going to take 3.14, multiply it by 5. Before I even start this multiplication, I know I can move my decimal over 2, that as whole numbers, I'm going to multiply 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15, and then I'm going to have this 1400ths decimal, so it's going to be a little bit over 15. I know right now off the bat that F is not going to be a good answer choice. J is going to be way too high. It's likely to be G. I bet it's going to be that one because it's right over 15, but I'll multiply just to make sure. So let me come back over here and see. I'll back up and erase out some of that. Sorry. We said it wasn't going to be that one or that one, and probably that one. So 5 times 4 over here is 20, carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Bring the decimal point back twice. And G is the best answer here, solving for the circumference of a circle.